Okay guys, welcome again in the second lesson about the basic concepts about how to add a new item to desktop background or the desktop context menu, right? Let's start in now. At the previous lesson, at the first lesson for this basic concepts about how to add new item to this desktop context menu, I was created before one item called 0. Okay, this 0 at the right side, I name it by this naming about this lesson talking about I've been talking about this one, how to make it new item and name it. But today the icon we added here called Hani. Okay, where we put this name, not here, not here, we put it here. MUI verb, we made a new string value and we name it MUI verb. Okay, menu user interface verb means name. Okay, we name it before. Today we will talk about how to add an icon to this new command. This command is not working now because we didn't make a new key under this key, the key we created before this 0. We didn't create. If we want to make it as a button, okay, to run a specific program or a specific application, so we have to make another key under this key and we can call it command, right? But now I'll call it, I'll try to explain how to give icon to this. This is exactly what I wanna say and what I wanna explain. How to make an icon for this command, new command we added to this menu. Okay, now I prepared before this one. Okay, this icon, the icon, which icon we can add to this menu. The icon shape could be executive file and could be CPL file, control panel file. Okay, could be an icon file and could be shell 32.dll comma and the number. We can put from 1 up to 400, maybe 430. Okay, also image resources, imageres.dll also we can name it like this. Give icon. This is all of this imageres.dll is icons and others others all icons like other one. Okay, let's take the first one. Icon shape could be as a executive file. I think we explained this before, but now we are explaining how to give an icon to the new command we added to this desktop context menu. Okay, let's go inside registry. At the right side, if we want to give this one an icon, so we have to make a new string value. We can call it icon like this and enter. What icon we can add here for any executive file? For example, cmd executive file, so I can put it inside cmd.exe. okay, so the icon will take the shape of the cmd file. The icon shape of the cmd executive file is like this one. Okay, also we can give it for calculator, calc calculator.exe. so this new item takes the shape of the executive file calculator, right? calc.exe. Also I can give it for MS Paint, like I told you before, MS Paint. Okay, so it will take the icon of the MS Paint for this paint. Okay, so any of these files, any of this icon could be executive file. This is the first type of icon we can give. Okay, executive file, we finished this one. So the other one is CPL file. Any CPL file inside this system, I can give it icon. I can take the icon of any CPL file. If we search inside this window about CPL icons, maybe it will be not clear, but we have to search for this one. I write here dot asterisk dot CPL means any file related to control panel. CPL means control panel. See, all files is not shapes, you know, because it's coded. It's not like icon, clear icon. It's not clear. Okay, we can take any of these files. For example, this power CFG CPL, for example. So we can give the icon power.cpl. I take it from this menu. Okay, power CPL. So this icon, double click, power CFG dot CPL. Okay, it takes the icon for the power. See, CPL here is not clear as an icon. So any CPL file could be taken as an icon for any new item you added to this desktop context menu, right? So CPL file, we finished this CPL file, I told you, and I give you one example like this. If also I take NCPA for networking, advanced network adapter settings. Okay, change adapter settings. The icon is NCPA dot CPL. This is for another example for CPL. So it takes the icon for CPL. Icon here is not clear, but if you give it here, you'll see the icon for this one, right? So CPL finished. What is the first? What is the other one? For .ico. Ico means icon. ICO means this is the extension of the file, like CPL. CPL extension for any file. exe executive file or exe is an extension. Okay. This is extension for any file. This is extension for the file CPL. Extension ICO. ICO means the icon. How to make this icon? If the icon already exists in your system, so we write asterisk dot ICO. ICO will display all the icon inside this Windows operating system. So all of these icons, I can take the shape of any of these icons because this is ICO. See what I write here? Asterisk dot ICO. So any of this icon, I can give it to this. The right click this icon, I can give it. Okay. For example, let's choose one from here. This one, for example. Okay. Quick display icon. So I can take it as a copy. Okay. If not succeeded with us, we will. If not succeed with us, we will give it another full location. But let's take this one. Let's paste the name .ico. Let's see it will take the icon or not, like this. So it's not taken because it needs full location. This is the full location for this icon. Okay, like this. So I can copy this location before this icon, before this one. I'll paste. After paste, I'll make backslash, then OK. So now the icon come. Okay, because I take the full location for any icon you choose. For example, if we want to change, now it takes the icon before. If I want this icon, so I have to take the name of the icon like this, copy, and give it inside this icon. Double click like this and paste. Okay, then I'll take the full track or the full location from here like this. Right click and copy. You go there and paste it here. Control V and put backslash and make it OK. It will take the same icon, but I didn't name this the last .ico. Okay, because this is an icon. So I have to put at the last of the line. I have to put ICO because this is icon file. Okay, so right click here. It will take the same. Double click. Not icon. ICO. Only ICO. Now it succeeded. It takes the same icon here. It takes the same icon here. So we can take any icon dot extension with ICO. So I can take it as an icon for the new item you added here. Any item, but it's as per one condition. You have to take the full track or the full location for this one, and put at the last put .ico. After the name of the icon, put ICO. Okay, so let's make it again. To take this icon, this one, okay, let's take this one, let's open text file like this to make it full track like this. Okay, now the icon for the new command is another one. We want to make this icon for this command. So what can we do? Take this one and put it in the text file. Okay, .ico. Okay, before this one we will paste the full location for this icon. Right click, properties, take this full location, copy, okay, and put it here before this one. Just put backslash and go left, Control V, paste this one. So this is the full location for this icon. If I wanted this new item take the same this icon, or I'll take the full location from here like this, copy, I'll paste it inside the registry here like this, paste, okay, and make it okay. Just right click, you will see this is the same icon we take. We can give any icon file to the new item we selected and put it in the right click or the desktop context menu. So this is the second one. Let's take the fourth one. Fourth one is shell 32.dll, comma, any number. Okay, I make this project before. I made this project before here. I think this one, right? This my CD, my repairing CD. It's under any video I'm sharing to you, so you can download this repairing CD. Okay, this is full icon, images, image resources. Okay, and shell 32. Let's check shell 32 is available or not. As an example, all of this is icons. See, images dot slash minus 40. This is for shell 32. This is image resources. Okay, so image is okay. This is shell. See, this is shell 32. Shell 32. This is the name. This is the code of the icon. Okay, we can give. So let's take this one, shell 32.dll, comma 166. Okay, let's make it down. Okay, go like this. We'll remove all of this, shell 32.dll, comma 166. Okay, it will be the same like you see this one like a graph. Okay, so any of these files I can take. So any icon of here, any coded icon, I can take this one for this green arrow, shell 32.dll. So we can go to the registry to put this icon for the desktop context menu. It's now like this. Let's change this one to this one, shell 32.176. Okay, but shell 32.176. 176. Okay, so right click on the desktop. So the icon changed. So it's a very big database inside my CD, my live CD. So you can take it from inside my live CD, right? So many icons. So let's check this one about this one for programs and features. For example, this icon, images.dll, comma dash 87. Let's take this one. Okay, so go to the icon. What is the name? Image res. It's not shell 32. This time will be image res. Image resources dot dll, comma, and put any code of this icon. What icon will take? This one, image res, comma, minus 87 dash 87. Okay, so it will take the same icon I give. Okay, so any icon, coded icon from here, I can take it. This mobile, if your new icon or the new item you add to the desktop related to, for example, related to scanner, scanner, fax and scanning, and like this. So you have to take this one, image res.dll minus 95. Okay, this one. Okay, if this command will run fax and scan, for example, inside Windows, fax and scan. So I have to take this one because this is very near to what I will do, or what command will be executed. Okay, what command will be run related to this one. If I will make this one for scanner, so I have to take this one. If I take this one, some command related to mobile phones, so I have to take this. It's like this. Okay, you have to take the nearest icon to the discipline or the command you will put. So image res is available an icon to give it icon. Okay, and also the other icons can be taken. We finish this one. Other icon like drives, themes, like that. So we can put themes, for example, and but I don't know. Yani it's themes .dll, comma, for example 12. I don't know this code is right or not. So it's sometimes you can see like this. Okay, inside this one, the DLL drive dot DLL, then you can give it an icon drive. You can take this one for other examples. So I think it's enough for if there is icons executive file. If the executive file not available, I'll take CPL file. So if not available, I'll take icon. So all of these types of the icon you can put and you can add to the new item you added to this desktop context menu. So you can take the icon for executive file, you can take the icon for CPL file, you can take the icon for icon file and shell 32 image res and so on. Okay, this is the available icons you can give to the new item you added to the desktop context menu. So let's take a small example and a very good and nice example how to make this picture. For example, how to make this one an icon. So I want a new item I added to take my picture, this picture for me. Okay, this is my image. I want to make it as an icon for the new item here. So what can I do? I have to edit this picture with MS Paint. Okay, then I'll save it again, but BMP picture. Then at the end of the file name, I'll put to .ico because I want to make this image as an icon. Okay, so I'll save it as ICO. I'll make it by my hand like this. I'll put dot. This is the name. Okay, so I'll add .ico to save this image as an icon. Okay, because this icon will be taken to the new command we added to desktop context menu. So save it to desktop as an icon. He told me it's already exists, so I'll choose another location like this inside the, for example, VLC logo. Okay, I'll save it as an icon there, so no problem. He told me about transparencies and like this will be problem. So let's check this icon available or not inside the VLC. So this one available now. So see this one item is icon. This is icon properties for this one. This is icon file. The type of file is icon. I saved it as an icon. So what can I do to make it like this? So I'll write the full track for this one. For what is the full track is partition C / VLC folder / logo .ico, because this is icon file. This is the full location for this icon. Okay, so press OK, then right click now. This my picture now becomes as an icon for the new item I added. Okay, so how many types of icon you can give it now? If the icon is not available, so you can make it. For example, if you open the menu for personalize and you don't know, you will make some commands like personalization. So you want to take this shape. Okay, I'll make a print screen. This is how to make an icon to give it to the new button. Okay, you search too much time. You take too much time to search for an icon, but you didn't find the suitable icon exactly for this command you will run. So you can search for, if you open the menu like this, so you want to take this one, this corner icon. So I can take it like this, alt print screen from your keyboard like this. So I will make a new file like this. Okay, I'll open this by edit, then I'll paste. So I want to make this one an icon, so I'll create icon for this one. I'll take this only. Okay, so I'll control A, delete all of this image. I'll decrease the size because the icon will be big. Okay, this icon I'll make it, so I can make it, save it as the same location before, drive C, VLC folder. Inside this one I'll name it desktop. This is desktop.ico as an icon. Okay, so it's saved, already saved. This icon I created myself in the front of you, right? So I'll give it to the new item here. This new item, I'll give it, this is the icon I saved before. So what is the location? It's the same location inside VLC, but what is the name for this one? The name of this icon is desktop.icon. Like I call desktop.ico. So right click here, it takes the same exactly. This is the icon I created. See, this is the icon I created now in the front of you. This icon created by me. This icon, okay? This icon already saved in this location. Take at the right click. See this one exactly like this one. This is the icon taken. I think it's clear for you and very good and very good things to make like this. Okay, to create icon. If you didn't find the icon you need, so you can create it. You can create the icon you wish to give it to the new command you added to your desktop context menu. This is for icon. So now the types of icons now not becomes an 6 now 7 shapes. Okay, the first shape for the icon you will give to the new item you added to this desktop context menu, executive file. What is the meaning of executive file? The extension, the last extension for this file is exe. The extension for the other file, cpl, means the control panel. Any control panel item .cpl, so I can take it as an icon for the new item I added. Any icon, any extension ico, so I can take it as an icon. Shell 32 images and so on. Now we reach to the end of the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.